Before you scroll past this, look at this. This is a bowl cozy. 20 minutes to sew. Made from fabric scraps that were probably already sitting in a bin in somebody's sewing room. It's listed on Etsy right now for $14, and that one shop has sold over 5,000 of them. That's not luck. That's not a fluke listing. That's one of 5 projects we're breaking down today, the ones that are quietly making regular women just like you and me, real money on Etsy. No fancy machine, no sewing degree. Just fabric you probably already own. Stick around, because number 4 on this list is the one most beginners skip, and it's the one with the best profit margin. Here's the problem with most start an Etsy shop advice. Everybody tells you to find your niche or sew what you're passionate about. That sounds lovely on a Pinterest board. It does not tell you what to actually put your hands on today. And then there's the other voice, the one that says you need a $2,000 machine, a design degree, and 20 years of experience before anyone will pay you a dime for something handmade. Neither of those things is true. What actually gets a listing to sell is much simpler. Buyers already want it, it's easy enough to sew in an afternoon, and you probably have the materials sitting in your house right now. That's the whole formula. So let's go through 5 projects that check every one of those boxes, starting with the easiest one on the list. 1. Reusable, unpaper towels and Swedish dishcloths. This is where I'd tell any beginner to start. You're sewing straight lines. That's it. No zippers, no curves, no fiddly parts. Why it sells. People are actively trying to cut down on paper towels, and it's become a whole lifestyle trend. Zero waste kitchen. Buyers aren't just buying a rag. They're buying a small, guilt-free upgrade to their kitchen. Sell them in sets of 6 or 8, snap-buttoned onto a roll like paper towels, and you've got a listing that feels like a system, not just fabric squares. Pricing tip. Sets sell better than singles. A set of 8 typically does better than 8 individual listings ever would. 2. Fabric bowl cozies. Bowl covers. This is the one from the hook. Circle of fabric, elastic channel, done. If you can sew a straight seam and thread elastic through a casing, you can make this. Why it sells. It solves a tiny, specific annoyance. Plastic wrap that never fits right over a bowl of leftovers. Small, specific problems make excellent Etsy listings because the buyer sees it and immediately pictures their own fridge. Selling tip. List them in sets of 3 sizes, small, medium, large, as a bundle. Bundles almost always out-earn single items for the same amount of sewing time. 3. Zippered pouches. Yes, this one has a zipper, and yes, that scares people off. Don't let it scare you. A zipper pouch is 1 seam and 1 zipper. It's genuinely one of the fastest skills to pick up, and once you have it, you can make a dozen product variations from the same pattern. Why it sells. This single shape becomes 5 different listings. Makeup bag, cord and cable organizer, craft supply pouch, jewelry pouch, even a cash envelope pouch for people doing the cash budgeting trend. 1 skill, 5 product lines. Pricing tip. The same pouch sells for more money the moment you rename it for a specific use. A cord organizer for travel sells better than a plain zipper pouch, even if it's the exact same bag. 4. Cloth napkin sets and table runners. Here's the one I said to wait for. Napkins are barely harder than the unpaper towels from tip 1, but they sell at a much better price point because buyers see them as home decor, not just cleaning supplies. Why it sells. Cloth napkins tap into two audiences at once: the sustainability shopper and the "I want my table to look nice for the holidays" shopper. That second group spends more freely, especially from September through December. Margin tip. This is the best profit per hour project on this entire list. A set of 4 napkins takes about the same time as 4 on-paper towels, but sells for 2 to 3 times the price because it's marketed as decor, not a rag. 5. Market totes and reusable produce bags. Last one, and it's a great next skill project once you're comfortable with straight seams. You're just adding simple straps and a box corner bottom. Why it sells. Reusable bags ride the same sustainability wave as the dishcloths, but they reach a completely different buyer. The farmer's market, grocery run, "I keep forgetting my bags in the car" crowd. It's a gift people buy for themselves and for friends, which means repeat customers. Bonus tip. Offer a monogram or fabric choice option. The moment a buyer can pick their fabric or add an initial, it stops feeling like a mass-produced item and starts feeling like it was made for them. And that's worth paying extra for. So to recap, 5 beginner-friendly projects that are already selling on Etsy right now. 1. Unpaper towels. 2. Bowl cozies. 3. Zipper pouches. 4. Cloth napkin sets. 5. Market totes. Every single one uses skills you can learn in an afternoon. None of them need a fancy machine. And most of them, you could make your very first one today from fabric already sitting in your house. Now, if you want to actually turn this into a shop and not just a nice afternoon project, and want me to make a video on Etsy that walks you through setting up your very first listing, pricing it properly, and writing a title that actually gets found in search, comment the word Etsy below, and I'll send you make a video on it. I just want 500 comments from you. And if this was helpful, hit subscribe. This channel is all about turning the sewing you already love into a little extra income without needing to become a professional overnight. I post a new project or a new income idea every single week, so you don't want to miss what's coming next. In my last video, I showed you 9 gift ideas you can sew for your grandchild that they will love. If you've got grandkids, cousins, or a birthday coming up, comment "grad kid," and I'll make sure you don't miss it.